I am busy. I am busy. I was busy. I was busy. I will be busy. I will be busy. You are right. You are right. You were right. You were right. You will be right. You will be right. He is sick. He is sick. He was sick. He was sick. He will be sick. He will be sick. She is tired. She is tired. She was tired. She was tired. She will be tired. She will be tired. It is open. It is open. It was open. It was open. It will be open. It will be open. We are together. We are together. We were together. We were together. We will be together. We will be together. They are students. They are students. They were students. They were students. They will be students. They will be students. I am hungry. I am hungry. I was hungry. I was hungry. I will be hungry. I will be hungry. You are late. You are late. You were late. You were late. You will be late. You will be late. He is asleep. He is asleep. He was asleep. He was asleep. He will be asleep. He will be asleep. She is happy. She is happy. She was happy. She was happy. She will be happy. She will be happy. It is expensive. It is expensive. It was expensive. It was expensive. It will be expensive. It will be expensive.
We are ready. We are ready. We were ready. We were ready. We will be ready. We will be ready. They are on time. They are on time. They were on time. They were on time. They will be on time. They will be on time. I am ready. I am ready. I was ready. I was ready. I will be ready. I will be ready. You are here. You are here. You were here. You were here. You will be here. You will be here. He is busy. He is busy. He was busy. He was busy. He will be busy. He will be busy. She is on the phone. She is on the phone. She was on the phone. She was on the phone. She will be on the phone. She will be on the phone. It is easy. It is easy. It was easy. It was easy. It will be easy. It will be easy. We are at the airport. We are at the airport. We were at the airport. We were at the airport. We will be at the airport. We will be at the airport. They are busy. They are busy. They were busy. They were busy. They will be busy. They will be busy. I am at home. I am at home. I was at home. I was at home. I will be at home. I will be at home. You are welcome. You are welcome. You were welcome. You were welcome. You will be welcome. You will be welcome.
He is at work. He is at work. He was at work. He was at work. He will be at work. He will be at work. She is in the kitchen. She is in the kitchen. She was in the kitchen. She was in the kitchen. She will be in the kitchen. She will be in the kitchen.
It is cold. It is cold. It was cold. It was cold. It will be cold. It will be cold.
We are friends. We are friends. We were friends. We were friends. We will be friends. We will be friends. They are outside. They are outside. They were outside. They were outside. They will be outside. They will be outside.